How to apply discount codes on Shein. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. First of all, you need to have installed your Shein application, open it, then get logged into your Shein account. Now, in order to use the discount codes, you need to have purchased an item. Let's go ahead and choose an item. Select anything that you would like to buy, or you can also search for the item. Tap onto the item, then tap on Add to Cart. Once you do so, you will see a cart icon that says To. Tap onto it. Now here tap on Checkout. And at this page, you need to enter your correct location, your delivery address, everything, then tap on Save. And once you add your address, under Payment Method, you will also see the option of Apply Coupon. Tap on that option. Now in here, you can simply type in the coupon code or the discount code that you have. Once done, tap on Apply. Likewise guys, this is how you can do it.